Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangles exercise 6.4 question number 6. Let's see the question. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of the ratio of the corresponding medians. Let me take the triangle. A, B, C, D, E, F. Let this be the median. Median means is divided into two equal halves. So here given is, these are similar triangles. So given is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and AM is median. That means BM is equal to MC. Same way EN is equal to NF. So these are the medians, and we need to prove. To prove is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to median square, that is AM by your median is DN the whole square. So this is we need to prove. Now let us go with the proof. Given is these two triangles are similar. So we know that all angles are equal, all sides are proportional. So according to the given, we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is given. So according to the given, we know that angle A equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Same way AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. So this is all according to the corresponding parts of similar triangles. So this we know according to the corresponding parts of similar triangle. Let me take this two triangle and prove the similarity. We know that angle B equal to angle E in this two triangle, and we know that AB by AC is equal to AB by D equal to BC by EF. Let us take this 2 point and we can prove that two triangles are similar. Taking triangle ABC and ABM, triangle DEN, because we want the median line. So I am just taking the smaller two triangles and we are proving it to be similar. Now we know that angle B equal to angle E by CPST, and taking AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Dividing this by 2 on both the numerator as well as the denominator. We can divide or multiply any number with the numerator and also with the denominator. This becomes, as it is a median, we know that it is quite equal, quite half of it. So we can write this to be BM by MC. So two sides and between the angle, we have proved that two sides are proportional, in between angle is equal. So therefore we can directly say that triangle ABM is similar to triangle DEN. So now by SAS similarity criterion, we have proved this. We can take the corresponding sides ratio, that is AB by DE is equal to BM by EN is equal to AM by DN. Let us take the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC by area of a triangle DEF. We know the corresponding side square. Let us take AB by DE the whole square. Already we know that AB by DE is nothing but we want AM by DN. So we can directly say, as these two are equal, instead of this we can substitute AM by DN. So I am just substituting AM by DN instead of AB by DE. So AM by DN the whole square in bracket, just write from 1. I have taken that equation to be from 1. So I'm just substituting AB by DE is equal to AM by DN, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. Thus we have proved it. This is what we need to prove. We have proved it. That's all with the sum. Thank you.